Hey guys, I am AlisonPlayz. I'm gonna call out with
Yeah.
this girl in the corner.
Yeah, my name is why didn't you say my name?
It doesn't matter. I'll
My
put
name
it down.
my name's Nico.
Okay.
We're doing a class together,
Yeah.
and I'm about to record mine.
So yeah, this is Princess High School Love. She's gonna be playing it too. So yeah.
I'm gonna
So if my voice sounds like a boy, I'm not really a boy. I just want to tell you that.
Yeah, she's not a boy, just
I sound like I'm a girl.
only
Only Jalen.
But just so you know, yeah.
Okay, let's get started together.
Boy, if you check out this video, then you see that she's
only Raylan can be only Raylan can be a boy, a girl, and a boy. He's awesome. Raylan, you know that? Yeah, you know. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So now I'm gonna be choosing her hair. She looks like she needs to be cute. Let's go with this one. She looks like she needs to be a flat. Or maybe she should be a seven. I don't think she have glasses. No, oh my god, they do. Oh my gosh, she can be a nerd. She can be a nerd.
So yeah. I really have something. I have a real cold. My voice keeps changing back and forth.
So yeah. I'm gonna give her a treat. Yeah, let's give her a school thing because she looks like she's a. Oh no. Oh my god, she beat this one. No, yeah, this one. She beat cute. Like, what jacket was this outfit? Why? Nice sweaters.
Oh my god. Allison.
Yeah, what?
Princess High School Love, and there's another one that copied them called Disney High School Love.
You know. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. That's fine. So now we have Ariel. She looks like she needs a huge makeover. Should she wear math classes? Yeah, she looks like she needs to have braids. Yeah, braids. Wait, can we change the color in here? I don't think so. Oh my god, just a rip off.
What's the color?
Okay. So maybe we should put her in like purple? Maybe yeah, purple. That's cute. Oh, maybe we should put her something like that.
So just
let's see where her page.
Just you have 13 subs and I have 124. Yes, I counted.
Yeah, please subscribe if you feel like it. You don't have to subscribe.
Please subscribe to her.
You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. You can if you want. It's your choice.
Yeah, their choice. And we're not forcing anyone.
Well, I'm forcing my life to do it.
What does that mean?
I can force my life to be quiet one day. That's what I'm forcing.
Really? You know you can't do that. Well, I'm about to record.
So this is
Hey guys.
Yeah, we're
Nico here, and I'm with Allison.
Hey.
And she already started recording. And we're playing Princess High School Love.
Wait, for how many minutes again?
And I'm 10.
Oh my god, it's so much better. This girl actually she needs blue because she's yeah.
We need to dress them up first.
I forgot every princess name, so like don't be like kind of saying, oh yeah, it's okay if I forget them all. So like everyone forgets some things. Oh my god, this girl look at it, she matches.
Oh my goodness.
You can't
That's
see. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I don't think she can ever see her sweater. She might be taking off her shirt by accident. That's cool. She'll be like taking off her sweater for sure.
Sorry guys, I have a real cold and yeah.
Let's give her some mustache.
Shirts look cool.
I feel like all these
you.
So really my best one
Ate my helmet.
How the hell do we do that?
Okay, that voice was just
Like, how do we go
No.
to the next stage? We just press this? No, we don't press that. Maybe this one. Yeah. Wait, what do I do? Do I just, okay, maybe just gonna put that.
I'm gonna make them look
Why
like
do
nerds.
I just noticed. I just put them on
I'm
glasses.
gonna make them look like nerds.
Why do I, every time when I do something, I have to all put them in glasses? What the heck?
Because we're doing nerds.
This girl, maybe she doesn't want to be nerd. She'll be whoever she feels like. She's me.
I'm a girl.
Okay,
The
let's read the
cool
letters. First, let me read the letters. Someone I look at you and say, damn, he is about to be the luckiest guy. That sounds weird.
It does sound weird.
Okay, this is in cursive, so like, it's not really cursive, like, you can consider it. I know you get the looks, but I got the love. What the heck? That makes no sense. Let's see. I look like you're stuffing from a lack of video? Me, that's, I don't even think that's a word. I'm gonna do this one. Now I'm gonna put a kissy. And I'm gonna put this one. Let me put this one. So now I'm gonna put I forgot what these stamps are. Dang it! I love these stamps all. Comment down below if you remember these bears. I forgot they. If you get it correct, I'll subscribe to you. I do your wedding was gonna call my fan, so like good job. So like yeah, let's do a. So she doesn't.
Sorry if I'm not talking a lot. I'm just so good.
I'm not really a focus person. I'm more like a I want to go fast person.
There she is. And I don't blame her.
So let's go see her garage, whatever his name is. Either way, Brusa. We can go.
Yeah,
Definitely. Oh my god. If I ever meet him, I'll be like, oh my god. I'll just fall down saying, hey. So yeah, this is girl, I don't know. And this is Ariel. So we're gonna call her Anon.
no.
Yes. No, she put the sweater on her. What do you think of my bought us together? A letter? Why does he have a letter in his pocket? That's so rude. What do you think about my love letter? Overwhelming or straightforward? I'll say straightforward. Oh, she doesn't like that. Do you like my so rude? She blushed. What's your favorite hobby? Cooking. Let's do cooking. She blushed again. What do you think about it? Let's see people BFF. So I think it's all about her, not really much of him. What do you think about high school class painting? So I think I had to pick everything that she likes more of me I like. What do you think of belong together? Maybe Saturday night we I just don't feel like it because like
Ooh,
yeah.
there's Inside Out poster.
Nice.
Why does it have an Inside Out poster?
I feel like my charger's gonna die. Like my laptop. We are meant to be together. Oh my god, it's so cool. Me and you together. How you been? Okay, that sounds weird. I wish I remembered that. So now, I'm gonna find another game. So be right back. Back. So let's play high school game. So right now this is high school escape. So I think this is all about escaping high school. Oh my god, that would be me if I ever do this. Like just escaping away from math class.
Ooh, she
That doesn't make sense. Hall passes don't have. I just feel like hall passers don't really care because like, either if you're gonna get detention, you know that. This is so weird. We will do this. This is not nice. Oh no. Oh no, my teacher. He's going to fail. And of course he fell out. Oh my god, no. Let's try again. This time, let's have more courage. So now we know what to do. Okay, we did that. Okay, anyway, why is this girl aiming next to me? Bye. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. What the heck?
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Like, every time, like, if I go down, like,
Don't give up, Allison.
if you want to know, if you guys are playing this game, tell me down below if you're good or not, because I feel like I'm really bad at this game. Oh my god, why do I keep on dying? Screw this game. I feel like this game really needs to learn how to get better, stuff. Like, better, like, every time when I do it correctly, it says wrong. What the heck? Did I just jump?
God.
I was like, I'm pressing.
FNAF World.
So, like, what do we do? Why is this?
I'm playing card games in FNAF World. So, yeah, I'm playing the FNAF World. I mean, Allison, I'm playing the FNAF World.
So, guys, I'm gonna keep dying. So, like, I think
I
this.
always get your name mixed up. There's this other girl named that. Really? Makes me mad.
I feel like I'm really bad at this game. Cause, like, I keep on dying when I'm pressing the correct. Oh my god, like, see, look at. And also, tomorrow I'm making slime. So, like, we'll talk about how that goes, that part. Like, either way, oh my god, how many times? Does this game like me or not? I feel like it really needs to, like me. It's like, I give you so much credit in this game. He's like, goodbye. I'm like, hello. And I'm like, trying to get your game. Why am I jumping over this girl? That's kind of, oh my god, I'm gonna keep falling. I feel like the gym teacher really hates you if he's chasing after you. No, I touched it correctly. What are you doing to me? No. Okay, at least I got 10. Right. So, like, yeah, let's just get away from this dude. This dude's like, maybe he's not like, I'm not gonna say a bad word, because, you know, like, I'm not gonna, like, do that. I'm not rude. So, like, I'm really, like, trying to beat up, so I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, why do we even try? So, let's, bye guys, I hope you have a nice day. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye guys. Bye.